And aloha, welcome aboard American Airlines Flight 58, service to Los Angeles. Your flight crew for this flight is Captain Mike Coffey and First Officer Rick Bancroft. Our flying time to Los Angeles will be 4 hours and 50 minutes at an altitude of 33,000 feet. Weather conditions in Los Angeles are partly cloudy at a temperature of 82 degrees Fahrenheit and 28 degrees Celsius. Now please direct your attention to the video monitors throughout the cabin for an important safety message about our Airbus 321.
There are so many places to go in this world, and so many airlines that can take you there.
So we thank you.
For making the journey with us.
Thank you.
And now we'd like you to pay attention to the following safety video.
First, please fasten your seatbelt. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal fitting into the buckle and pull on the loose end of the strap to tighten. To open, lift up on the buckle.
We recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times, as turbulence can occur unexpectedly.
As we prepare for takeoff, please be sure your seat back and tray table are up and carry-on baggage is under a seat.
Smoking is not allowed at any time. Tampering with, disabling, or destroying smoke detectors in the lavatories may result in a fine.
U.S. law requires passengers to comply with all signs and crew member instructions about seatbelts and smoking.
So that you may follow along, we have provided a safety instructions card in your seat pocket.
All exits on this airplane are clearly marked. Please refer to the safety instructions card to locate your nearest exit. Keep in mind, the closest exit may be behind you. Each cabin exit is equipped with an evacuation slide. Some slides, except those immediately in front of or behind the wings, may be detached and used as rafts. There is an additional raft located in a marked overhead compartment. This aircraft has escape path lighting in the aisle. Red lights or an exit sign will indicate you have reached an exit. In an emergency evacuation, leave all carry-on bags behind and quickly proceed to the nearest exit.
If the aircraft cabin loses pressure, the panel above your seat containing oxygen masks will open automatically.
While remaining seated with your seatbelt fastened, quickly reach for the nearest mask and pull down firmly to start the flow of oxygen. Put the yellow cup over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic band over your head and tighten by pulling the straps on either side. Breathe normally. Even though oxygen is flowing, the plastic bag may not inflate. Always put your own mask on first, and then help others near you.
A life vest is located under the seat or next to your seat. The safety instructions card shows the exact location.
To use the vest, open the cover by pulling the red tab or compartment handle to break the seal.
Remove the vest from the package like this.
Put the vest on over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, and attach the buckle. Pull the loose end of the strap to tighten.
Once outside, pull down on the red tab or blow into the red tube to inflate the vest. There is also a light that will illuminate upon contact with water. Never inflate the vest inside the airplane. If necessary, an infant life vest will be distributed by a flight attendant. The safety instructions card shows how to use the vest.
The crew will now be coming through to do a final cabin check.
We'll be back after takeoff with more information about your flight.
Thank you for your attention and for choosing American Airlines.
Thanks for flying American. We're glad to be your airline.